Hi guys, I am back today with another video. I am doing a simple and easy Valentine's Day cake. I'm starting off with just a 6-inch chocolate cake and I am using my buttercream frosting. Now I did decide to do a crumb coat just because I didn't want any chocolate showing, but that's optional for you if you don't want to do that. I'm cleaning off the sides and then I can go and work on my final coat. I have my buttercream tinted in a light pink color. And now I'm just smoothing off the sides and then I can work on the top of my cake. And so now I'm just adding my regular white buttercream, and to that I tinted my pink into a red color, and I'm adding that as well also. And it doesn't have to be in any order at all. I'm basically just smearing my buttercream on the top of my cake. And this makes it super easy. I'm also putting on additional red onto the side of my cake, and then I'm smoothing out the sides. I'm using a number 5 tip to start off my lettering, and I'm just writing the word I love you for Valentine's Day. And then I'm going to repeat the process with a number 3 tip with my red buttercream, just to go over the white. And then I went back with my number 5 tip and I did a white border for the bottom. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is a very simple, very easy Valentine's Day cake. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I did this cake. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.